Then came to the revolution of 1905. Russia was an autarky, which means that the Tsar, the ruler, had no government, no parliament. So he basically worked individually. जो भी laws थे वो उन्होंने खुद declare किए थे, खुद बनाए थे, and कोई parliament नहीं थी जो उनको suggest कर सके. The socialists were against this. They wanted a constituent assembly which would then become the parliament, and they wanted to work by the constitution. जैसे कि इंग्लैंड में था, एक monarchy थी, लेकिन the monarchy was dependent on the parliament. So the socialists wanted the same in Russia. Then this revolutionaries and peasants in 1905, through the means of a revolution, worked towards creating a constitution. They were supported by the nationalists and Muslims. रशिया के जो इस्लाम को मॉडर्नाइज करना चाहते थे और तब तक हुई नहीं थी, तो उन लोगों ने इन सोशलिस्ट को सपोर्ट दिया और नेशनलिस्ट ने सपोर्ट दिया ताकि दे कुड ब्रिंग अबाउट द चेंज ऑफ एस्टैब्लिशिंग अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड अ पार्लियामेंट. In 1904, जो prices थी रशिया में, they rose very quickly. Everything, all goods like food items became very expensive, and but at the same time जो the workers की जो wages थी वो increase नहीं हुई. So they were unable to afford the prices of the goods in the market. So the real income थी workers की, that dropped by 20%. So they were unable to afford any of the things in the market, and that created a lot of discontentment amongst them. Added to that was the bad working conditions, long working hours, and poor living conditions as well. So all that created a lot of disgruntlement between among the peasants, among the workers in Russian cities. And this also led to the increase in the membership of the Workers' Association. The people जो आ रहे थे वर्कर्स एसोसिएशन में के पार्ट बनने के मेंबर बनने के लिए, वो बढ़ते गए, एंड दे डिमांडेड रिडक्शन इन वर्क आवर्स, इंक्रीजेस इन वेजेस एंड बेटर वर्किंग कंडीशंस. दे ऑल्सो कॉल्ड फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल एक्शन. अगर किसी फेलो वर्कर को डिसमिस कर दिया था सर्विस से फॉर रीजंस दैट वर नॉट नोन टू देम, तो उसके लिए दे कॉल्ड फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल एक्शन. दिस डिड हैपन इन 1904 when workers at the Puterliv Iron Works were dismissed for no reason. तब बहुत problem हुई थी, and these workers said that now we've had enough, and about 110,000 workers protested in front of the Winter Palace over the next few days. तो अपनी voices heard करने के लिए to the Tsar, that we want laws and we want the better working conditions, wages in place. They protested in front of the Tsar's palace, which is called the Winter Palace. उनके लीडर थे एक फादर, जो चर्च में फादर गेपॉन, एंड जो ये स्ट्राइक्स एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेशंस हो रही थी विंटर पैलेस के सामने, सार कुड नॉट हैंडल देम, तो ही कॉल्ड फॉर द पुलिस एंड कोसैक्स होते हैं जो हॉर्स माउंटेड पुलिस कह लो या आर्मी मेंबर्स कह लो. ही कॉल्ड फॉर देम टू अटैक द वर्कर्स. This was known as the Bloody Sunday because about 100 workers died and 300 got injured, and it's a very important event in the history of Russia जब किसी सार की injustice लोगों के सामने आई. So the people were of course very sad about this. All they wanted was laws in place and a constituent assembly which would then become a parliament. After this, there was a series of demonstrations and events which are known as the revolution of 1905. Lawyers, doctors or engineers, they created this thing called the Union of Unions. It was perhaps the biggest union. इसमें middle workers भी involved थे, and ये लोग they were working, they were demonstrating to against the Tsar and wanted to achieve a constituent assembly. And students on the other hand, university students, उन्होंने universities में walkout stage करे, वो कभी भी exams उठ के चले जाते थे या classes नहीं attend करते थे, and universities came to a standstill. So all these events together 1905 की revolution माने जाते हैं. And finally after this, after many months, the Tsar established the Duma, जो कि Russian Parliament का नाम होता है, the Duma, and problem was that the first Duma was dismissed within 75 days, and second Duma 3 months में elect हो गई थी, and जो सार था उसने वोटिंग लॉज ऐसे चेंज किए दैट ओनली कंजर्वेटिव पॉलिटिशियंस यहाँ पे आ सके. कोई रेवोल्यूशनरी, सोशलिस्ट रेवोल्यूशनरी, कोई नेशनलिस्ट वाज नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द दूमा. सो ये सार का प्लान था कि हम दूमा तो इस्टेब्लिश कर देंगे लेकिन उसमें कोई पोजीशन नहीं देंगे टू द सोशलिस्ट. सो दिस वाज आल्सो अगेन अ वेरी प्रॉब्लमैटिक थिंग फॉर द सोशलिस्ट्स एंड द नेशनलिस्ट्स. This together is known as the 1905 the revolution of 1905. The Duma was the Duma and the constitution of the Duma was obviously very problematic, and this again caused a lot of problem among the socialists.